Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti sul mio canale, mi chiamo Akontaba. Se oggi è la prima volta che mi guardate, mi raccomando iscrivetevi tanto al canale. Se mi conoscete già, beh, sapete già la routine. Oggi imparerete come indosso le parrucche alle mie clienti. La mia specialità è quella di non usare gel di nessun tipo. Spesso voglio che le mie clienti possano mettere, indossare, togliere le parrucche magari quando sono stanche o magari quando vanno a dormire, eccetera. E niente, godetevi il video, ci vediamo dopo. It's a girl Akontaba, and yes, I was speaking Italian first. I always said I have mixed views. I have both Italian people and English people watching me, but all I said is that you are watching me installing this Akontaba custom made wig on my client. These are 3 bundles of 10 inches and a frontal of 10 inches as well. I don't use glue at all. There is no glue whatsoever in all of my wigs and all of my videos. I'm just laying the baby hairs with a styling mousse or foam, however you want to call it. And then yeah, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of makeup on her. Today we're trying something different, and yeah, I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I have a video dropping every week. Bye. I just finished covering her baby hairs, and I'm gonna let them dry naturally. And yes, I'm just gonna try a bit of makeup as well. I am an aspiring, or let's say beginner makeup artist, but I always like to try new things. You know, the sky is the limit, girl. You just have to keep trying every single day. So I saw this tutorial on Instagram, and please let me know down below in a comment if you think it came out good or if it was a flop completely. Thank you. As I was recording this video for you guys here on YouTube, I was also doing a Snapchat tutorial for my followers over there, so you must have seen the switch up of video quality. Yeah, so if you don't follow me on Snapchat, make sure you follow me on Snapchat at Akontaba. And yeah, yay, we made it. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I don't know why. Anytime I think a look came out good, I'm always hyped. Like, I'm always so happy. Please make me know in the comment down below what you think about this look. I love it. I love this wig. I think this wig fits everyone. It's a short, so you can literally put it on an everyday basis and off you go. And it's just 3 bundles, but it is so full. Just please let me know what you think. And until my next video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. And until my next video, I love and leave you. Mwah. Bye.